So now that in one hive the 2 hive bodies are occupied with frames, I have to put another hive body on top to put my feeder in and to cover it. So that's how I've been doing it. It might be rainy all week, so they may not find a lot of resources outside the hive. So it's really important that I get something, and the nearest apiary supply store is about an hour away. So I will just put something together really quick. So yeah, I still didn't find my glasses. They're probably at the gym. This is exactly 16 and a quarter. Need 2 of those. That's the front. Okay, the second cut. Gonna put my safety sunglasses on. Let's check. These should be exactly the same size. Okay, close. Next dimensions. Okay, so this is for the width of the hive box. It's not an actual hive box, just a box to protect my feeder. So it's not going to be exactly the same height. This is not the height of a medium or a deep. But the depth that will go this way, which I will put behind here, has to be 19 7/8. But this is 3/4 thick. So I have to subtract 3/4 twice. Let me put that a little closer. So I drew a line, and then I kind of put the blade down to see where it will land on the line. And the way I do it is that the line just needs to be removed by the saw blade. Looks nice. So it's about a 1/16 of an inch too small. I think that doesn't matter. So because I put this board here and I drew the line, now I definitely have to cut off that line, and then it will be exactly the same size, because the line is on the outside of the piece of wood that I just put. This should be it. 4 pieces is all I need. Now I just need to screw them into each other or nail them. I kind of like screwing. These are like Finnish screws that I use in the sauna. See, they have a very thin profile, pretty much like a nail. Let's see if it works. Close, but no cigar. See, there would be a hole. That's not acceptable. Something went wrong with the measuring. It's an inch too short. ChatGPT told me that 19 7/8 inches minus 2 times 3/4 of an inch is 17 3/8. So I don't know where I got that, but 19 7/8 minus 2 times 3/4 is 18.375 3/8. So 18 3/8. That is very poor. Okay, looks pretty perfect. This will be the top, then I can put the telescoping cover over it. These are too small. Okay, I got my longer clamps. This isn't gonna work. It requires too many hands. This is a 2-person kind of job if I do it like this. This works too. Maybe. Feels pretty good. Pretty smooth. Uh-oh. Oh, this had to be behind this. By perfection. It had to be like this, of course. Shit. Now it's easier. Now it can stand on its own. Feels super smooth. I don't know, why does this idea not work? It should. And then I should just be able to clamp this, right? I'm gonna try it, even though I know I can do it by hand. But this should give me the perfect space to put it in. With a hammer it would be easier. The feeling is the best. You can feel if it's perfectly flush or not. Okay, pretty good. Uh-oh, missed. So this one wasn't straight. Still not. No. What the hell? So these screws are so thin and flexible that if your hole is crooked and you try to get it straight, it just keeps going crooked. I'm overcompensating, yeah. Fuck. Stupid screws. This is some of the burr comb from last time. Come here, come here. Have a drink. This drink is 1 part simple syrup. Okay, so this was a little bit frustrating, but I finally pulled it off and it looks good. So I'm probably going to have to repeat it and build a second one for the other side, at least depending on how this hiving is going to be doing, because the left hive is not a very strong one at the moment.